Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video, I'm going to take you through evaluation H3. If you check at my previous video, you will see that we covered the evaluation number 0, number 1, number 2, and lastly, so relatively this is our assignment number 4, or rather evaluation H4. Okay, so as usual, this evaluation quiz will support your growth toward the software engineering role. And we'll go direct to the quiz. It's supposed to take around an hour. It's supposed to be an hour. So, and these are the instructions. If you take the exam on set during the specified time, you receive 100% point potential. And if you take the exam offset during the specified time or at any time other than the specified time, you receive 65% point potential. So let's dive to the question. So in our question number 1, in a double linked list, what is the head of a linked list? A linked list. So we have, it is the node with the pointer to the next node equal to the null, or it is the node with the pointer to the previous node equal to null, or alternatively, I don't know. But since we know the meaning or what is in the ender, it's supposed to be, it is the node with the pointer to the previous this one. It is the node with the pointer to the previous node equal to null. If you look at the double linked list, you will find that we covered this one. Okay, so we submit. Then number 2, this is a C question. In a double linked list, what are the possible direction to transfer it? So you are supposed to select all the possible answers. You are supposed to select all the possible answers. And the answer is, we have a backward, forward, and lastly, I don't know. So the answer is supposed to be, okay, so having a, let me see. So we have this one, we have the backward. So these are double linked, it's a double list. So the direction are supposed to be 2. That is backward and forward. Then this one, we have what do this line print? My function count 89 prints count. Then we have my function. So this is 89. Then my function. So we have 89, my function counter. I think if I'm not wrong, it's supposed to print 101. But we'll confirm. Okay. What do this line print? We have ID 89 name John project and DCT. Then you're supposed to get ID 89 name Ami. Then get friends -1 get name. So the answer is supposed to be Ami. Then how many bytes will the statement allocate on a 64-bit machine? So the answer for this one on a 64-bit is supposed to be 4. Then next number. What does this print? We have A, Python is cool, print 7. So we have a 7 colon minus 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's supposed to print is not the correct answer. Then we submit. And then this is number 7. What do this line print? We have for I, rage 2, 10, 2, print I and end equal. So what will be printed there? Okay, let me see. We have a 2, 10, 2. And I think it's supposed to be this one. Which line of code will create a list of every other number from 0 to 10 in reverse in Python? 0 to 10 in reverse. Then in reverse, you see how it will work. So we have 10. I think it's supposed to be this one. The arrays. Then we submit. Then we have what is the UNST simply constant for the standard output. Okay, these are simple ones. Supposed to be stand out file number. What is a circular input of Python? Circular. What is a circular input? Nance is supposed to be when two or more modules are dependent on each other. Then 11. What do this line print? So we have a count is equal to 89. Then we have this plus 1. So if there is a plus 1, definitely it will take you to the next number, which is 90. Then we have this one. What does this print? So we have Mission Street. Then we have 1972 San Francisco. So definitely supposed to be number 1. It's the easiest part because it's a Python. Python is always easy. Submit. What do this line print? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, where we have the 2. So where we have the 2, it will definitely replace a number that precedes the 2. So this 3 will be replaced by 10. So we'll have 1, 2, 10, and 4. So you are standing on a line at a grocery store. Which data type best represent this situation? Definitely this is a queue. This is a data structure. Then what do this line print? We have A is equal to 12 if A is greater than 2. If A 2 is equal to 0, print tech. Else print C is fun. Else print school. A is greater than 2, which is true. So it will definitely print tech. So our last number, that is number 16. What is wrong with the following C code to get the nth node of a linked list? And as you can see what we have, the answer number 1, there is no check for it to the next before moving to PTR, or if index is out of range, the program should return null. Then we submit, then we check. Okay, there is one more. Which sample should I use to redirect the error output to the standard output? And definitely for this one, then it's supposed to be 2 greater 1. Then we submit. So let me see. So great work. Remember, even if it did go well as you wanted, you should have and can continue. Okay, let me go back to my home. Let me see what we have. Okay. So for this one, we have managed 88. Which one? That could be the problem B. So we managed, so for this one is supposed to be 12. Sorry for that. And which other one? I'm wondering where the problem was. So it's supposed to be list range, not arrays. So those are the only problem that we got this wrong, but ensure that as you do this one, you don't make the same mistakes that I've made on my assignment. So I've missed 2 points. So just be careful before you do the whole thing. Ensure you go through the whole assignment, get to understand why we have picked those specific answers before you go ahead to do yours. So thank you once again for taking time to watch the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. In case you have any question, just write it down on the comment section. I will get it back to you as soon as I see your question. Bye bye.